Okay, and today I'm gonna challenge myself for completing the 2022 ENGAA the first part, but section 2. Okay, let's start. First, find the value of this integral. Well, okay, we write it as x to the power of 3 over 2. And this would be this minus 3 integral of this, and the left hand side would, the left part would be here, and the right hand side this one. This would be 8 minus 1 minus 3 1 over 2 minus 1. This right. I think this would be great. Okay. Second one, this is a stationary wave in medium. There are speed of 300 and the frequency. Okay, so velocity equals the wavelength times the frequency. You can write as there's 1 wavelength, 2 and 3, so it will be here. But we will use the units of meter, so 0.5 times frequency, 600. There's a semicircle. Tells about the conditions, and so let's calculate the area. Well, okay, I'll use that this is A, B, and C, so it will be actually this, right? And this is 10 0 times x, y. This is this, okay? Oh, I'm such an idiot. It's just 5y, right? 5y, and y equals to x squared plus y minus 5 squared equals to 25. So have this. This would be right. So 5y wait. Oh, this is wrong. X minus 5. 5y this. Okay. Vertically upwards from the surface and reach, so v equals to this. The moon, okay, same initial speed. The maximum height reached by the stone on the moon, so 2 times g earth times h equals 2 times g moon times h, and he and hm. hm would be ge gm times he, and this is okay. So a, let me check again. Okay, correct. For mathematically similar solids have the following properties. The ratio of length of W will is 2. Okay, weight, and okay. So let's just say the volume, okay? So let's set W as 1, and X would be 2 to the power of 3, and it will be 8. Also, we have 2 over, this is something squared, you know. So Y would be the surface area of this is 62, and okay, and cube would be yes. Wait, this is a bit confusing. This is the side length, and the area, volume, surface area would be 2 to 1. So, and Z, yes, it would be something like this. Okay. Ray of light. The incident ray is partially reflected and partially refracted. This is 90 degrees. So this is gamma, and we have sine theta times 1, which is the refractive index of vacuum, equals to let me see. Oh, it equals n times sine gamma, and this is also theta, and so theta plus gamma equals pi over 2, right? N equals this. Yes, we need to do it in terms of theta, so it will be a cosine theta. Am I right? So think it's right. Okay, a bit hard, I think, but not so hard. To have a little guess about. So let me think. 1 plus squared equals. So this is very similar. Is there anything similarity? Any similarity here? Maybe no. So the first one will. Oh, it's just this, right? Yes, so it would be this times by. Yeah, okay. An electric train is traveling along and it passes the Q distance, okay? V and A. Well, this is the distance. Okay. V equals A plus 2B times T and A equals 2B. So the speed of train increases as a constant rate. The resultant force do not increase. The rate of energy is transferred. So P equals FV. And F is constant, V increases, so it increases with time. 1, 3. Evaluate this, okay? So integrate them by part. No. Just calculate them by part. The first part. This is part. Yeah, it's something like this, and it equals to this, which is this. This is so this 4 we have adding them together, we got okay, boy. Now a length of wire has resistance R. Another length of wire is made from the same material. This wire is twice as long as the first wire and has half the diameter. Circular cross sections connected in parallel. Okay, so R equals rho times L over S. The second R dot will be twice as long, so 2 minus over half the diameter. So it will be something like this, you know? 8 times r. So parallel, so this complete set of real values of x for which so the first thing that I just need to consider about the absolute value of x, because it only contains x squared. So I just need to consider about x bigger than 0. And I transfer this. And I will draw the image of the left function. It is something like this. And I also know that when y equals 3, it equals 21. And here we have -2, so -7. And here, -7. So I have the -7 less than y, less than 3, but y is bigger than 0, so consider about the left hand side. We have this. Sure, let's plug in a value. Let's say that x equals here, and it transfer into not suitable. An empty bucket has a mass of 1.2 kilograms and an internal volume of this lift, okay, and inextensible lift completely full of water. Apply a force of this, okay. I guess we need to calculate about the just the mass of the bucket. Yes, it should be something like this. Wait a minute. Why don't I just use this? I mean, isn't this correct? Jesus. Let me check again. I'll just put this aside, just I'll review it at the end. So parameter 24, okay? Maximum possible area. Let's assume that it will be something like this with this of theta. So theta r is the parameter of the arc plus 2r equals 24, and we write down the area. We have theta over 2 pi times pi r squared, something like this, and we have its, yes, something like this. So no, yeah, something like this, and it's minus r squared. Am I right? Draw the graph of it. 0 and 12. Clearly r equals 6. A metal ruler has a mass of this, okay? The 0 centimeters mark and another at here. Pivot. Okay, say this is x. So the total moment about the pivot will be 20 times x equals to the right 100 plus 100 times minus x times x. This is minus this. $65. Okay. The curve of this intersects and has a minimum at C. This is clearly on this. So 3 and 2. A and B. Minimum at point C, this is here. Let me check. Yes. Like this. A, B, D, E. What? Something like this. I guess. Okay, so this will be 5 times this. Okay. Circuit comprising 2 resistors and 2 batteries. Negligible internal resistance is shown. Magnitude of and direction of the current in the 3 voltmeter 3 volts battery. Okay. So this is I1, I1, I2. Okay. So we apply the Kirchhoff number 1 rule. We can get 6 plus I minus 3 equals 0. So 3 amperes. We will do it again. This, no, just this thing, you know. So 3 minus 3 I2 equals 6, and I2 is 1. This is 1, this is 2. 2 from x to y. Straight line passes through this, okay. 0, 2a, and a0. So we calculate this, Okay, I will set a equals 1, and it is y x over a plus y over 2a equals 1, I think, right? Yes, times 2a and we ask about the this, so 1, 2. This will be wait. Am I wrong? Oh, 1, 2. So it's 4. '38. Isolate this phase. Collide and coalesces. What do you mean by coalesces? Let me find it out. Oh, they become one. Okay. So the S rate equals this. And this equals to 2 mv3. EK, they're all equals this is 8. EK1 okay. It would be this. Okay, I guess it's correct. Sum of real solutions. Oh, a little bit hard, but I don't mind. So it would be 8. So we set this. So this and x and this, find the sum. Okay, is this correct? Well, perhaps I don't need to do that. 2, just 2. So this cable, Young modulus. Shit. Oh, this is a bit hard. Shit, I don't want to integrate. Just want to do this. Just this. Okay. I'll go back to that question. Which one? Here. It's a bit. No, just not very easy. So. How can I do this? I mean, is this really a must? Perhaps it's not full, so I cannot use this. Well, first we will calculate the force. So mg times 0.2 is equal to so mg equals this 75 kilograms. Really? Never mind. What? It can't be true. Jesus Christ. Wow. But, well, we can only have this. So, never mind. Oh, there are some frictions as well, just. So it will be this. So let's check the answers, I don't want to make it very long, so have a little check. A, E, A, boy, E, A, F, boy, A, C, yeah, correct, that's great, dog, E, dog, F, okay, I'll go back to it later, C, F, G. So the first one, okay. Which one? This, okay, I misunderstood about the. Oh, I got it wrong. So it would be something like this, okay? So this would be I and this would be I1. This is I2, okay? I misunderstand that. And for the last question. Well, so why? I don't want to, just calculate the integrals. It's very amusing. But no, I don't want to do that. Let me check for a little bit. Jesus, why I've been blocked? Isn't there anything? Is it easy to download? Fuck. Wait. I don't want to crush up on this. Wait a minute. What has fucking happened? But no, this is not correct. Is this correct? Jesus, I will mend this in my next video. So goodbye guys, sorry for that.